want to urge the Ombudsman. Hindi naman po namin sinasabing paboran kami. Hindi namin sinasabing ipitin si dating Pangulong Aquino. Just do her duty as provided for under the Constitution, as the guardian of the people, as the bastion against graft and corruption. Gawin lang niya, tungkulin niya, at huwag sana niyang pagtakpan yung nag-appoint sa kanya. Matanda na siya eh. Does she want to be remembered as the Ombudsman who covered up the Mamasapano massacre, among other things? She should be conscious of what her place in history should be.
Katarungan na hanggang ngayon po ay hindi tapat, hindi pa ho natatamo. Para sa